Today, we're taste testing whole pickled garlic heads that we got at the Russian superstore. Hello, it's Janello. Before we get into today's video, just wanted to quickly tell you about what is going on kind of behind me, because, well, not behind me here, but behind me in the video. It's kind of a messy garage situation because we're in the midst of resetting up the food studio for this season. So please forgive me for kind of the mess, but you can see kind of some of the stuff that I got in the background. Anyway, okay, just a quick disclosure. Let's get into the pickled garlic video. This is what they look like. They're these perfect little bulbs. I don't even know how they do this, actually, because I always struggle with the garlic skin, and this doesn't feel like it has any skin on it at all. And when we were in the store, they sit in pickle jars, like just how you would get pickles, except the whole thing is filled with garlic bulbs like this, and we just had to get them. So I figured that we could try them together and we could see what that's like. All right, so the regular garlic bulb and this garlic bulb, and they kind of look the same, but I don't know where all of this skin goes when you get into this. And I'm also not sure if I'm supposed to peel it or just bite into it, so I'm gonna start by peeling back a layer and seeing, oh, so this is like the skin right here. That whole piece like that is basically this skin, and then you have the individual cloves like that pull away. That is pretty cool. Check that out. Can you you're not gonna really be able to focus on that, but anyway, so all right, so now we have an individual pickled clove of garlic, which smells like garlic, but pickled. And it's not, it seems like it's a bit milder than what regular garlic is like, raw garlic is like. So that's a good sign. Our breath won't smell like all hell when we finish eating this. Now let's taste test. Man, it's definitely garlicky and has a punch to it. But the pickle does mellow it out a little bit. I don't know what it's pickled in. It just was in a pickle vat, so I couldn't tell you. It feels like there's some peppercorns. Obviously, there's salt and some things like that in there. Normal pickling stuff, but the flavor of the garlic really kind of overpowers any pickling that's happening, which is kind of nice. I don't really know what you would do with an item like this. I guess you could put it into a salad. You could put it on a hot dog. It might be good on a hot dog. That's nice. We could try that. Yeah. But I have a lot of this, and this is an even bigger bulb. So if you have any ideas on what I should do with this, knowing that it's tangy and pickly, but still very, very garlicky, leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear some ideas. That's it for this week. Pickled garlic from the Russian grocery store. I'll see you on the next episode.